Hi, my name is Afan Warudin. Hello, my name is Fenda Alvan Sidik.
Hello, my name is Novi Ismawati.
My name is Anaf Sindul Mutakin.
We are from Electrical Engineering of Jeddah University, and now we want to show you about how to install Matlab 2013 with patch, and please enjoy the video.
Okay guys, I will start to install Matlab 2013, so attention please. First, open the folder of Matlab 2013 program, and then you can run the setup.exe. Okay, in there you can close install without using the internet, and then click next. Scroll, scroll, and click yes, and then next. And you can close. I have the file installation key for my license. And then you can sort in folder CYGISO, and then click readme. Uh, Copy the install key, and then paste in there. And you can close typical, and then next, next. And then you can check the, and then you can close yes, scroll, and click install. Okay, you can wait until the installation Matlab 2013 complete.
After 100% installation progress, and then click next. Click next again to activate Matlab 2013. Activate manually without the internet. Click enter full path to your license file, including the file name, and then click browse. And choose the license date and your installation folder. Click next and finish. Copy file in the video and paste in the installation folder of Matlab 2013. and Matlab is ready to use.
Thanks for watching and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.